This is the world's biggest egg, and just like this, in today's video, I will tell you about 5 such massive eggs that, after seeing them, your reaction will be something like this. And the 5 eggs I will show you in this video are even bigger than your face. Now, you might be wondering, if the size of this egg is so huge, then what could be inside it? Is there a bear inside this egg? Is there a snake inside this egg? Is there a baby dinosaur inside this egg? Or is there an alien baby inside this egg? What is actually inside these eggs? That is what I will reveal in today's video. Among these 5 biggest eggs, some can still be found today, but some of them have completely disappeared, meaning you won't be able to see such eggs in today's time. From some eggs, creatures are born with only 2 claws. From some eggs, creatures are born wearing a hat. Some animals lay a huge number of eggs at once, while some lay only a single egg in their lifetime. Welcome to episode number 2 of Jongli Vicky. In today's video, I will show you 5 such biggest eggs that you have never seen before. If you are interested in wildlife, then this video is for you. Egg number 5. The large green textured mangoes you're seeing on the screen right now are not actually mangoes. These are emu bird eggs. Emu eggs are incredibly beautiful, as you can see on the screen. Their texture is quite unique, making them very different from a normal egg. An emu lays around 10 to 15 eggs at a time, and their size can be up to 5.1 inches, which is significantly larger than a normal chicken egg. While the female emu lays the eggs, her responsibility ends there. Once she lays the eggs, she has nothing to worry about anymore. The entire responsibility falls on the father emu. The father emu sits on these eggs for 2 months until they hatch into baby emus. After 2 months, adorable little emu chicks hatch from the eggs. These chicks learn to eat, drink, and run immediately after birth. Now, look at this baby emu. Its expression makes it seem like it hasn't eaten for centuries and is deeply worried about its family. But let me tell you, that's not the case at all. Their faces naturally look like this from birth. Emus eat almost anything, whether it's insects, grass, or even stones. Whatever they find in front of them, they try to eat. And their sound is so loud that when you hear it, you might think someone is firing a gun. Egg number 4. What is emerging from this large green egg? So, the huge egg that you are currently seeing on your screen belongs to a cassowary bird. Cassowary bird eggs are quite similar to emu eggs, but their size is significantly larger than that of emu eggs. The emu egg in this case was around 5.1 inches, but cassowary eggs can grow up to 5.5 inches. Both birds' eggs look almost identical, but emu eggs tend to be darker green. A cassowary lays only 3 to 8 eggs at a time, which is considerably fewer compared to an emu. Once the eggs hatch, baby cassowaries are relatively calm and peaceful in nature, and their size is much larger than that of a typical baby bird. However, as they grow older, they become one of the most dangerous birds in the world. The first time I heard their sound alone, I literally fell off my bed. Cassowary birds have intensely dangerous eyes. Just by looking into their eyes, it feels as if they can kill another animal with their gaze alone. Interestingly, they also have long eyelashes that look quite similar to human females' eyelashes. When baby cassowaries hatch, they do not have the helmet-like crest on their heads, but as they grow older, this distinctive crest starts developing, making them one of the most unique birds in the world. However, this crest is not just for fashion. It develops as a functional adaptation because cassowaries run through dense forests, and if they encounter an obstacle, this crest helps them navigate through it. Now, take a look at their nails. Their claws are massive, even larger than a human finger. Cassowary claws can grow up to 5 inches long. When cassowaries are young, they primarily eat fruits. However, as they grow older, their appetite increases significantly and they start eating anything they can find: apples, tomatoes, papayas. Egg number 3. Oh, how did such a big chicken egg end up here? Well, the egg you're looking at on the screen right now is actually a kiwi egg. No, not the kiwi fruit's egg. This is the egg of the kiwi bird. The kiwi bird is New Zealand's national bird. Kiwis live in small burrows inside forests and lay between 1 to 6 eggs at a time. However, the unfortunate reality is that out of these 6 eggs, only 1 usually survives. This is one of the main reasons why the kiwi population is steadily declining. Because of this, conservation efforts in New Zealand are actively searching for kiwi birds and collecting their eggs to incubate them in laboratories. This is done to ensure that the kiwi bird does not become extinct in the future. Kiwi bird eggs measure around 120 millimeters, which is significantly larger compared to a regular chicken egg. Now let's talk about the unique physical appearance of the kiwi bird. Kiwis are typically found in 2 colors, gray and black. However, there is also a very rare variety of kiwi that is white. White kiwis are extremely rare and very difficult to find. The sound of a kiwi bird is somewhat similar to the sound of an airplane. Unfortunately, their eyesight is extremely weak. Because of their poor vision, kiwis cannot hunt during the daytime due to excessive light. This is why kiwi birds hunt exclusively at night. To catch their prey, kiwis rely on their long beaks and heightened senses. They tap their beaks against the ground, generating vibrations. These vibrations help them detect if there is anything beneath the soil. When a kiwi senses potential food underground, it digs a small hole using its beak and feeds on worms, insects, and other small creatures found beneath the surface. Egg number 2 is the largest egg currently available in the world. The number 1 egg, which I will tell you about shortly, is now extinct. The egg you are currently seeing on your screen is one of the largest eggs that can still be found today. You won't find a bigger egg than this at present. This egg belongs to the ostrich bird. An ostrich egg weighs about 1.4 kilograms and can be up to 5.9 inches in size. And of course, when an egg weighs 1.4 kilograms, it's obvious that it will take time to boil, right? That's why an ostrich egg takes nearly 2 hours to boil completely. Just like a leopard has dotted patterns, baby ostriches also have similar markings on their bodies. However, as they grow, their size and pattern change completely. In their early days, ostrich chicks eat only grass and insects, and by consuming just these, they grow so big that handling them becomes difficult. In this video, you can see how massive an ostrich is. A girl is even riding on top of it. You might have heard of camel rides or elephant rides before, but have you ever heard of someone riding a bird? Probably not until today. Ostrich birds have very large eyes, so large that their eye size is even bigger than their brain. And look at this, ostrich feet. They only have 2 toes. I've never seen a bird before with just 2 toes on its feet. If you have seen any such bird with only 2 toes on its feet, let me know in the comments section. Because of having only 2 toes, ostriches are incredibly fast runners. In fact, not just fast, but the ostrich is the fastest running bird in the world. Their speed can reach up to 70 kilometers per hour. The sound of an ostrich is quite unique. Egg number 1. But with a heavy heart, I have to say that these eggs have now disappeared from the face of the earth. These are the eggs of the elephant bird. Elephant birds once roamed this planet, but due to human actions, they became extinct. It is believed that elephant birds were the largest birds to have ever existed, and their size was massive compared to normal birds. Carbon dating has revealed that these birds weighed anywhere between 275 kilograms to 1,000 kilograms, which is twice the weight of an ostrich. Now, another question might come to your mind. If these birds don't exist anymore, then where did their eggs come from? The photos you see on your screen showing people holding these gigantic eggs, how did they find them? The answer is actually quite simple. You all know that eggshells don't decay easily, they stay preserved for centuries in the same condition. The images you're seeing right now are of elephant bird eggshells. These are just shells, meaning there's no liquid or yolk inside, just the hardened remains of their once massive eggs. Elephant birds belong to the ostrich family, and if you compare them in photos, they looked very similar to an ostrich, just way bigger. The skeleton you see here is an actual elephant bird skeleton, which was discovered after extensive research on Madagascar Island. And finally, I just want to say one thing. Humans have caused immense damage to wildlife for their own benefit, and unfortunately, they continue to do so. Because of this, the number of species on our planet is rapidly declining. This is why I make these videos, to inform you about what's happening in the world of wildlife, what's disappearing, and what's growing, so that you can be aware. So if you liked today's video, Make sure to share it so that people who didn't know about this can learn something new, and if possible, subscribe to our channel. Comment below with your favorite part of the video, and don't forget to like it as well. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, love you all, take care.